I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.
So in Padmasana, we're performing Sitali Kumbhaka. And in this, it's this very similar, but the Akashic revelation is from the Hatha Tattva Kamadi, chapter 10, verse 16. It says, one draws the tongue out to press them against the teeth and takes the air in. So rather than the tongue pressed up against the roof of the mouth, it's pressed against the teeth. Then you slowly leave the air out through the roof of the nose. So first you're going to have that same inhalation sound, holding it, and then slowly exhaling through the air out through the roof of the nose as before, till he feels the sensation at the tip of the hair and nails. So there's a real subtle concentration that's involved in this. And again, this is a part of Padmasana. So you're sitting in Padmasana, your tongue is pressed up against the roof, or not the roof of the mouth now, against the teeth. Inhaling, holding the visualization, or holding the breath rather, and then you're exhaling through the roof of the nostrils. And you're focusing on this. You should be able to feel, like it should be really igniting the sense of feeling to the point where you can feel the sensation it's saying at the tip of the hair and nails. So you should be able to feel that on your hair. So it's a very intense, deep space that this brings you into. Okay, so you're inhaling through the mouth, inhaling through the mouth with the tongue pressed up against the back of the teeth, rather than Sitkari Pranayama, where the tongue is pressed up against the roof of the mouth. Okay, pressed up against the back of the teeth. Inhaling, so that sound is kind of there still, similarly to Sitkari. Then you're going to slowly, after the Kumbhaka, let the air out through the roof of the nose. There's no restriction sound here, but it is in the same way coming out. So it's not coming out from just this point. It's coming from a deeper part of the nasal cavity, the roof of the nasal cavity. And then you should feel the sensation, it's saying, at the tip of the hair and nails. Okay, so we can try this all one together. Tongue up against the back of the teeth. Holding the breath. After some time, releasing the air coming out through the roof of the nose. And then focusing on the hairs of your body, the tips of your fingernails. Can you feel the sensation? This is Sitali Kumbhaka.
Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.